Good afternoon, students, and we are back with the second part of the poem, The Ballad of Ram. So, we have seen that there was a burglar who came for this thieving, for doing the robbery in the house, and he didn't saw any of the guard dog or anything, so he was just sliding inside. Next, but Ram was awake and he had seen him all right. Delighted with company this time of the night, he flew through the yard his new friend to greet, and his weight blowed the burglar right off his feet. Now what happened? So as Ram saw, Ram was awake, Ram was not sleeping at the night. So as the dog saw that there is somebody, okay, so he was very delighted, because he used to love the company of the human beings. So he thought that wow, at this point of the night there is somebody who could accompany him. So he just flew through the yard. Flew means he ran very fastly towards that burglar to greet him. He considered him as his friend, and his weight blowed the burglar right off his feet. So as he just went and he started pulling his leg, the intruder got up and ran off with the wail, and Ram ran right behind him, still wagging his tail. He departed the yard he'd come into burgle, like a champion athlete clearing a hurdle. But what happened? This intruder, this burglar, as he saw that the dog is coming, so he didn't knew that the dog is very friendly. He thought that the dog has come to attack him. So he just ran off the wall, jumped off the wall, and the Ram, he was still wagging his tail. Still he wanted that the burglar should stop and meet him and put him and he should give him some tidbits or food items to eat. But the burglar just departed the yard, and he forgot that he had come to burgle over here. And then, like a champion, he was just clearing the hurdles. What were the hurdles? The hurdles were the fences of the house. So he just cleared everything and ran away. But Ram couldn't jump gates, so sadly, instead he picked up the thief's wallet and went back to bed. Next morning, the evidence everyone viewed when Ram brought it to us just a little bit chewed. So this Ram was waiting that this burglar would come back, but that burglar didn't came. So also Ram could not jump over the gate, so he sadly just picked up the thief's wallet that he forgot in the yard and went back to his bed. And next morning what happened? Next morning, for everyone's surprise, Ram just gave this wallet to the family members. Once given the wallet, the police didn't fail to capture the burglar and put him in jail. His confession, like wildfire, spread through the town, how a big vicious guard dog had knocked the thief down. So with the help of the wallet, they gave that wallet to the police, and with the help of it, the police caught the burglar. And then this confession that the burglar has made, that in the house which he had went to rob, there is a big vicious means very dangerous, very big dangerous guard dog is there, and nobody should go there for doing any kind of a robbery. We all howled with laughter when we heard the thief's story, and Ram was our hero. He was basking in glory. There's been no attempt since to burgle a yard, for everyone knows now that Ram is on guard. So when the family members heard that Ram was doing his job, or because of Ram this thief had went away, so everybody started laughing. Why? Because they knew that Ram was not a kind of a guard dog. So everybody just started laughing, and Ram was basking in glory, means he was glorifying. He was so proud that he had done something great, though he didn't even knew what he had done. So after that, there was no attempt, there was no thief in the entire town that could come, that would have courage to come and rob this house, because everyone knew that there is a big vicious guard dog who is always doing a duty in that house. So this was the poem, and I'll be sharing the question answers, so kindly complete your notes.